So far, so good. Should just take a minute, boss.
Unboxing.
It's the cord.
PSP. That's a cord. Another cord.
Yep. There's the white controller. Comes with one.
Another spare.
Yeah, you always have to. Oh no, charge. Yeah, it goes together. It charges.
But why different price?
Because it's just a charger.
Why it's not part of it?
No, charge it like old-fashioned way with that on there, but you're better off with the docking.
Okay.
So we'll put this on charge. Yeah.
That's your PS5. And that's PS4. Nakaangat ka ng konti, charot. Batang matanda. You're like a old kid. This one is only for the big kid, no? Not for the...
Little kids can't afford this.
That's a...
Quick start and safety guide.